What's going on, guys? Today I have for you legitimately the craziest unboxing that I've ever done before. I have in this stack the most crazy pair of shoes that I have ever gotten my hands on. Let's open up these boxes and find out exactly what's inside. This first one's actually a box I don't remember ordering. Oh shoot. I had early access. I got a pair of the Stealth and White Jordan 1s. The materials aren't too bad on these things, but what I do like is the sock liner. This has a really good sock liner on. Next package from my buddy Sheer Sales. Sheer Sales is a great guy with an awesome YouTube channel. Make sure that you guys follow him on Instagram, whatnot, and YouTube. He threw me a steal on this classic pair. Adidas Consortium series, size 8.5. Nice Kicks NMD. When Boost technology was first introduced, this specific pair was being sold for $700, $800, $900. These things are in great condition too. There's barely any wear on the Boost. The soles look really good actually, and the uppers are flawless. Just a really cool pair that meant a lot during the era of NMD and Boost when it first came out. So it's something that I really like to have in my inventory. A little bit of a smaller size, but still a very cool shoe nonetheless. This is the most expensive sneaker that I have ever purchased. This box might look like a normal box, but this pair is far from an ordinary pair. Shoe size 12, color MBB, Gorge Green, Lucky Green. Shoe name, Air Jordan 8 Retro, UO. Oh my God, these are insane. If you guys don't know about this is the Air Jordan 8 University of Oregon in the Gorge Green colorway. There were only 275 of these produced. On the inside tag, it actually reads Sales CFM sample. And on the tongue, these things are actually numbered. This one is numbered number 221 out of 275. These were released only via Goat app in an auction style sale. I saw that for my size, the highest bid on them was $10,000. I ended up putting in a bid well under. Since there were multiples produced, I actually ended up hitting on a pair. These things are just absolutely insane. And this shoe just pops with different hues of vibrant greens, forest greens, and Kelly greens. They certainly ring true to the University of Oregon color scheme and have a really cool kind of terry cloth sock liner. I'm absolutely blown away by the detail. On the black side panels, it says Oregon Ducks in a raised plastic font. This shoe is just something else, quite honestly. That basically wraps up today's unboxing. What are your thoughts on this University of Oregon Air Jordan 8? Let me know in the comments below. Please take the 10 extra seconds just to drop a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date on a daily basis by following my social medias at Sailboat Supplies. I appreciate you sticking around until the cold, bitter end. You guys already know, I'm Sailboat, and I'm out of here.